Something new about my music. It's past the millennium. It's not, everybody trying to make songs that's for the millennium. I think I've been ahead of the millennium or whatever. I done been after death before Christ, all of that. I try to make music that is far ahead. And with the blessing of God, I'm gonna keep making music.
Baby boy, stay on my mind. You can feel my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Oh, my baby girl. Yes, no, hurt me so good, baby. Oh, I'm so wrapped up in your love. Let me go. Let me breathe. Stay out my fantasy.
Whenever give me the thing, they're ready for really get to life. Tell me all about the things where you were fantasize. I know you dig the way me step, the way me make me stride. Follow your feeling, baby girl, because they cannot be denied. Come tell me in the night, I make we get it amplified. But I grip to run the ship, me not gonna slip, me not gonna slide.
Go, 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 go.
Keep giving me some things to do.
Whoa, on my mind, I'm feeling high. My money's gone. I'm all alone. Too much moving.
Verse.
Keeps turning.
Beep. Let me follow the pizza. Cinematic.
You said you're playing too, Shaq? Yeah. I got something for you too, fast.
You have, it sucks you in.
What was that?
What a day, what a day.